So let's take a look first at the Levridge bid sheet. Okay, so this is the bid sheet, and you'll notice across, we'll take a closer look. Across the top, we have the delivery periods, and then the ticker symbol that pricing is tied to across the top. And then what the board price is currently. That board price can be keyed in at the end of each day or periodically during the day, or we can get that price from a market price service such as DTN. And then for each branch location, as you can see, I have Barnesville, Alexandria, Arthur, and Crookston. We have the basis, any adjustment to that basis for the net basis, and then the cash bid for the day is, for example, 307. For Alexandria, you see we have a minus 25-cent basis for a cash bid price of 298 for May of 2020. And then we goes on and on for each location. Now, if we wanted to look at just one location, we can restrict it and just say, hey, show me the Alexandria bids. And what's neat about this is that now it's showing the Barnesville location and the Alexandria location. And the reason for that is because Alexandria bid is, the Barnesville is a parent to the Alexandria. And so we use a parent-child relationship so that changes to the basis in Barnesville automatically rolls down to the changes in the basis. It will automatically change the basis at each of its child locations, in this example, Alexandria. Let's look at how that bid sheet is configured. First of all, you set up a parent-child relationship. So we have the child branches here. And in this example, they're all set up to the same parent. We could set up multiple locations, one or more locations to its own parent or to a different parent, or they could be their own parent if you don't want to use the parent-child relationship. But this shows how each of the locations is tied to a parent. This is where we put the basis entry for the parent. Again, we have the parent branch name, the commodity, the delivery period, in this case, February of 2020, and the ticker that it's tied to, the ticker symbol, and then the basis. And notice since February delivery period is old, it is not published. So we only show the records that are checked as published. So in this example, corn for May delivery tied to the May ticker is going to be 16-cent basis. Again, that's at the parent. Okay. So then we can, for each child of that parent, we click on the child setup. We set up the child location, the branch. Well, the parent that it's tied to comes in, the commodity, and then we have a freight differential for each location. So for corn, we have a 9-cent freight differential between Barnesville and Alexandria. And then we can do miscellaneous adjustments too if we want to for each location. All of that setup results in a bid sheet that looks like this.